Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of KakaoTalk app. We go to settings. Here in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll search about the application of KakaoTalk and you click here. In this page of app info, you go to first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.